家好，我哋又嚟到中環站咧，我哋又準備拍攝37號 Q train 啦。Right now we're at Central Station. We're gonna film the new Q train set. 今次拍攝嘅編組係 A676 列車，呢一抽車係第46抽塔服務嘅 Q train， 亦都係荃灣綫嘅第18抽 Q train。Today we're filming set A675, A676. This is the 46th Q train for the 荃灣line. 46th Q train in service at the 18th for the 荃灣line. Please mind the gap. Next station, connecting station for East Chimsachoi Station and the Tuen Ma Line.
小心月台空隙，请小心月台的空隙。Please mind the gap.
But I also just pay for 1 to 2 times something. I just need to learn for that.
I played maybe 4 hours, 6 hours. I really like it. It's just raining at the moment.
And also have to join for the BNI. Do you know what is BNI? BNI is a camper. It's worldwide commercial camper. Yeah. The world that has many countries also have BNI society there. And Hong Kong also have 108 of the community campers in Hong China also have yeah, I searched for it. But it's not for normally they are used to Cantonese. So if you want to join a wheelchair, you should find for the English chapter. Yeah, this one. Also, it's come from US.
下一站由港鐵，乘客可以轉乘觀塘線往下一站由馬甸。
But normally, if you want to join for the Vienna chapter, but if you work for close with the foreign country, then English is the basic standard. I wish you in future can have the trust to be with that, and they can let you build up a business. Let's see you.
Lovely to meet you. Thank you. Take care.
See you.
好啦，我哋而家就嚟到油麻地站啦，we're now YMT station。好咁，多謝收睇呢一節嘅影片啦。咁我哋下一條影片咧，就再同大家見啦。Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.